Welcome to the Gonzo Book. I am Jose. Shelly's downstairs watching TV, and I just wanted to show you guys my man cave. I'm finally kind of done with it, and I'm just going to show you around. And this is my room. It's not for sleeping. It's for doing stuff on the computer, my YouTube channel, my crafting, and my cubing. So I got everything kind of set up, nice. And I just want to show you guys around. And but I want to do one thing first. I got this nice sweatshirt from the Cubicle.com, but it's not matching anything. So let me go check something out. Let's see here. Would this match? This would match right here. Nice. Nice. Wait, that's nice right there. Nice. Nice. Awesome. Matches my sweatshirt. Nice. Alright, so I got my matching. I got my matching mat that matches my shirt. Nice. If you need a mat, definitely go to Cubicle.com because they have good quality mats. I love them. They're nice. So let me show you around. This is my computer area. So I got my fan, light, my mic. My mic doesn't work. I don't have it hooked up, but I just have it there. And I bought these shelves right here for my... It was just plain here, and I said, let me get some magnetic shelves because I got some for my RV, and they work well. I got a whole bunch of stuff. Instead of having a whole bunch of cubes on my desk, you know, I put them right there, put some stuff that's usually on my desk. Got my meds, got a snack, my podium game here in case I want to play it. Up here I have my Rubik's Cube bulletin board that I made, and these are all my daughters, my stepdaughter. And there's Shelly right there, computer AI image of her. My shelf here. I got some of my military stuff up there. When I was in Berlin, West Berlin, and then when I was in Iraq. And then I got some, in a second, I have some stuff I got, let's see, I got some 1x1s. I have two Gonzo Decas up there. And then here's my printer, speaker, and my tower. And over here, I have sometimes I put mats up for decoration, clock, and all my awards that I got. And my cube shuffleboard that I made right here, which is in the way. My cube shuffleboard I made. Still working on that. And then on this desk is where I do some of my crafting. I have my card shuffler right here. This is my +2 game. And my scale. And a lot more mats right here that I got from the Cubicle. All my mats came from the Cubicle except for the Tigman mat that came directly from Tigman himself. I just got that recently. A pencil holder that I got from the Cubicle. And my timer display there. And I have another mic right here, but I don't have it connected. I just have it displayed. And I have two clocks over here because one is Berlin time. That James Webb looking clock I made myself because I'm a big James Webb telescope fan. And that's my Aero band guitar. Yeah, my mini fridge right there. And my dresser. I got my little weight set right here. That's collecting dust, of course. And then this is my craft. On the bottom here, I just have some supplies and some of my art supplies. And then I have second shelf cleaning supplies and where I keep my sodas. And then I got my Cricut light and a paper cutter and some more supplies for my Cricut. And some other stuff from Cricut and some other junk that I have up there. Over here I have a drawing I just did a couple months ago. Laundry. And I'm still working on this little thing here. I'm not sure what I'm going to put there. That's my view to the outside. Nice little view. It's a quiet neighborhood. Alright, so this is where all my Cuban stuff are. I have all my cubes in display. I just got this at Ollie's right here. A 3-tier display. I only got 2 of them. I wish I would have got more. Because these were only like 3 something. I believe, if I remember correctly. So that's where I got my display. I have a mat, another mat right there. And these are all my Ferrocore boxes. I have 6 of them. All my Ferrocore. Some of them are up here. Yep, there they go. Boom, boom, boom. This is my Grogu and Mandalorian. Now, we just went to go see the movie, me and Shelly, and we loved it. So you go, if you want to go see it, I would recommend you see it. But then you see all the reviews online that say they hate it, it's stupid. I loved it, so I don't know what they're talking about. So those are all my cubes. I got a few more coming in the next couple of days. And these are all the cubes here that I made myself, or I changed it. These were blank ones, and I have reflecting tape on them. Same with this one. Check out the video. This is my Velcro FTO. It's all Velcro. You can take every piece off. So I made it into a training cube, but I hadn't got into it yet. Soon, I hope. This right here, I was going to do something with, and it's just in my counting cube, but somebody already did one of these already. So, and camouflage 2x2. I want to do a 3x3. I didn't get to it yet. My ugly cube. This is my magnetic cube that I did just recently, and it was going to be like a magnetic training cube, but they slide off too easily, so it's not. It was a fail. This is my. I always forget not to shake it, because then you do the bubbles. Is this video going to get 1,000 views? Definitely. Nice. Yeah, don't shake it. I always forget and I shake it, and it makes those bubbles. So that's what do I call that? I'm having a brain for it right now. The Cube Oracle. Yes. These are all my tools down there. So I'm probably going to stick in the garage when I get a chance. More supplies up here. These are for my podium game supplies. And got another one of those mats. Sometimes I have double mats. This is for my Velcro training cube for my 3x3. Yeah, I just got supplies up here. Got my hand warmers. I got training cubes that I made. Labeler. And I got these at Ollie. And they were $5.99, so I thought that was a good price. So I got one time and another one. Next time I go, if they're still there, I might get 4 or 5 so I can drop them off at the Tours for Tots in December. And I'll order some cubes from the Cubicle to add to that. And these are blank cubes mostly. FTO sticker cubes. In case I want to do a project with that. These are from my Gonzo Book if I ever sell one. I got supplies. And some more stuff. And these are just some display cubes. I just made these 2 cubes. Don't know if you can see it. Holographic type cubes. There's my Gonzo Book right there. One of them. I have 3 of them. And some mailing supplies in case I need it, stickers. This is my lube. This is where I keep all my lube stuff. It's all in this case right here. So if it spills, I can contain it all right there. So more supplies, stickers, blah blah blah. These are all my supplies for my Gonzo Book, and some pouches for my Gonzo Book if I ever sell any. This stuff right here is for me to UV a few cubes, but I didn't get there yet. That's my shuffleboard, cube shuffleboard stuff, and some packing stuff. And this is where I'm going to put this. I'm going to put it right here, but I need to find a hook for it. Right now I have those two things on there. Yeah, I got this from the Dollar General, and it to hold up like 6 pairs of bands. And I said that would be great for my my mats. Right now I got 5 mats because I just took one off. And that's my Cuban bag right there. Signed by the Ting Man. And I keep losing. I lost my Gonzo Book one. It was in my car right now. So this is my walk-in closet. Tough to hang stuff. That's my lost in space. All my clothes. Cubicle.com. My hiking sweatshirt. That's for my air gun, my nail gun, and some other stuff. So yeah, cool. That's how that one stuff looks. That mat holder looks like. I got 2 of them, so in case I buy some more mats, which I probably will. Stuff I got from when Sarah was in FFA. Bulletin board. Dad decorations. I got when I see Sarah, that's my podium that I got her. I had a few more shelves, so just stick them over here. Sticking these in my car. I was putting batteries in them. I got these at Ollie's too, so I'm gonna put those in my car in case I have an emergency. So that was it. That's my carpet right there. All my mats. And prep those mats. Yeah, that down there was my Gen 5 timer on there that I wrapped up. Cool. So that was it. Now I know why my other room was cluttery, because all of this stuff was in that room. So there was a lot of stuff. So I'm glad I moved into the main guest room. So I got a walk-in closet now, and I have all this space. So I have all this space in the middle. It's good. I might get another table where I do all my crafts. One that I can bend and like fold up and put it away. And then when I need it, I can. And if I want to stand, I can raise it and lower it. But I want it to fold so I can put it out the way if I'm not using it. Instead of doing it right here, because I don't want this area to be messy right here. Every time I do crafts over here, I mess everything up, and then I have to clean it on the craft table. I wouldn't have to do that. So, well, that was my man cave. If you have any questions, comment down below. And without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.
And without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.